In this video, I show you how to fix would not make call problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now find out phone app, click on phone, then tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now scroll down, now tap on airplane mode, now tap on again, now call someone. Now I hope that this method to make call problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.